welcome to the channel. My name is Thomas. I appreciate you checking out this video. As always, if you get any value add at all out of what you see today, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe so that I can continue to bring videos like this to you in the future. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing today, especially what is affiliate marketing. Defined, it is basically the promotion of another company's product or services. Other companies allow you to online take traffic to their products or services, and if that individual decides to buy that widget or that service, whatever it is, you get a piece of the profit. It's something that I've been involved in for a while now. When I first found out about it, I thought, what an amazing concept. I don't have to store products, I don't have to buy inventory, I don't have to hire workers, and I can still sell and make some money. How do we find these affiliate marketing deals? For the most part, they're free. Let's take a look here. So here's Target. I don't know if you've ever been on the Target website, but most store websites, you just scroll to the bottom and there's going to be a place to become an affiliate. So here's Target.com. I don't see anything here. Let's take a look. More. Affiliates and partners. You click on it. Partner with the brand you love. So you apply. Again, it's free. You'll be able to promote any product that you find on this Target website. And again, if somebody decides to buy, you will get a piece of the action. Amazon is obviously huge. I am an Amazon affiliate. Again, you scroll down to the bottom, come down here, become an affiliate. Again, free. Go through a similar process, become an Amazon affiliate, and you can sell pretty much anything on the site. Does not have to be physical products. Here is Bluehost. They are a web hosting site. They offer a digital product. Beginning of it, click on the affiliates. Sign up. Again, it's free. Drive people to the Bluehost site. They give you a piece of the action. What's nice about this is, since a subscription, you're going to get continual money every time that they pay their bill. Here's Clickbank. Clickbank is not a brick and mortar store. It is a marketplace of products. Kind of look through here. They have different niches. Say you wanted to look into the sports. Here's all these different offers that you can promote. You want to promote a golf lesson. Take a look at it. Here's what it is. Sure, this is something I want to promote. Promote it. Generate your link. You put your link in a website, on a blog, on a YouTube page, however you're going to do it, and you make your money. So that's the basic idea. There are thousands and thousands of different ways to find these affiliate offers. You're able to promote them in different ways, whether it's through paid traffic, through organic traffic, different ways, but I will go into those in future lessons. If you do have any questions about affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing, how to get started, anything like that, please comment below. I will do my best to answer each and every one of those questions. And as always, make every day count.